Hey everybody, what's up? Hope your day is going good. There's been a lot of truck hype happening lately, and I'm going to talk about something. I wonder if Ram's got a little bit of a trick up their sleeve that no one is anticipating. Maybe there's a new Cummins coming. Maybe there's a new gas engine coming. Because if you look at what Cummins has been doing in the market with some of their heavy duty trucks, they've got the capability of making some really cool stuff. Regardless, good things are coming for Ram owners. Let's check this out. All right, guys, got some good news today. A lot of things changing for you Ram owners. So there's been a lot of people talking about the 2025 model year Ram heavy duty. Some big things are happening. One that a lot of Cummins owners have wanted for a long time. The 68 RFE is going away and you're going to get an 8-speed transmission. The question we don't know now is what other options are going to happen for this next generation, we'll call it powertrain. Right now, it's still yet to be determined if this is going to be a new cab configuration. Are they going to keep the standard output diesel, the high output? My guess is they're going to keep the standard output and a high output. Then is the question, are they going to get rid of the Eisen transmission and just have one transmission across both the standard output and high output? And the question everybody's been asking, are we finally going to get a high output diesel in a 2500 series truck? Ford has been offering it. And GM has had a high output truck now for several years in their 2500. Hopefully Ram's going to do this. There's a lot of different people talking about this right now. So this is the hot off the press, the new 8-speed transmission. No surprise, it's going to be ZF. They've done such a great job with Ram, Chrysler, and Jeep across their EcoDiesel, their Hemis, the Scat Pack, the 392s, the Hellcats. It's been a phenomenal transmission. So much so that General Motors, Toyota, Ford, they've benchmarked this ZF 8-speed transmission and to try to mimic and make their own transmissions. And no one made another 8-speed trans in an HD truck successfully. GM did it, but they had to make some changes. Now in their heavy duty trucks and their light duties, they're running a 10-speed trans. Yes, I know, you can still get an 8-speed transmission behind the TurboMax 2.7 liter. That is their second generation transmission. So hopefully they don't have any problems with that like they did the first generation. But I am extremely excited about this new transmission. I believe they're gonna probably come up with some emissions changes, probably to meet emissions like they have, like the other manufacturers have for quite some time. So that's gonna be interesting. The other thing too that I've been thinking about is wonder what the horsepower is going to be. Are we going to see more than 420 horsepower, more than 1,075 foot-pounds of torque? If I had to guess, I don't think Cummins is all that worried about it because they got a great reputation. It's a great engine. I think they're just going to focus on getting better fuel economy, a little bit more reliability with the transmission. I've had no issues in 44,000 miles on my 68 RFE. Yes, is it a little sluggish compared to my Ford 10-speed transmission? It is, but it works absolutely sufficiently. There's another thing to this though. What do you think the chances are that Cummins is going to have a new 6.7 liter gas engine in these HD trucks? This was a big announcement last year. We know that both Ford and GM are going to these new gas heavy duty engines. I wonder if there's a chance we're going to start seeing something else around a gasoline variant for these HD trucks. That would be interesting. So everything I'm piecing together right now is it's going to be the same cab configuration as the current 2024 Ram 2500. It doesn't look like we're going to get the Ram 1500 larger cab quite yet, but it is going to be the new 8-speed transmission. It does look like it's going to get some changes on the engine to meet emissions, more durable, blah, 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 that sort of thing. This is great news. I'd love to see a new cab because with getting a new cab, it would just be, in my opinion, could be a best-in-class truck. You know, they still got some little things they got to figure out. I'd like to see a little bit stronger of a front end, maybe less ball joint issues. But in general, the Cummins is rock solid. Their interiors are good. Their technology is good. So anyhow, I wanted to share this information. I thought you guys would be excited about it. More good stuff to come. Stay with me. Thanks for watching.